Welcome to the Windows, Computers, and Technology channel, and just wanted to talk about a little something that some of you have been asking questions lately, and I got a few questions today concerning that, and the fact that, installing Windows updates, and so there are different Windows updates that come through the month, and there's, of course, the security updates for Patch Tuesday. Those, I always say it's important to install. It's important to install them because they protect you from threats online. Anybody that gets Patch Tuesday updates for security, you have to install them. When people say, "Well, I'm waiting," don't wait on Patch Tuesday security updates because there's a lot of security flaws in there. But the other updates, and some of you have been saying, should I install them or should I not install them? You're kind of saying, well, if you don't have any problems, maybe you should not install it. The other updates are the bug fixing updates usually. Those are optional, so that's why they are not automatically installed when they arrive. Although, there's a catch, they will be installed by force at some point. And that is when Patch Tuesday updates arrive. So remember the way that it works. So Patch Tuesday updates are the ones that are called quality updates here. This is what happened for this update here for June. So this is cumulative updates that are important. They are called quality updates for Microsoft. They are updates that are for security and that are important if you want to stay safe online. Now, the thing is, with these updates is that they are mandatory. So unless you tweak the system not to install them, they are installed. But there's other updates. When you see here other updates, these are the bug fixing updates. And these are the ones that I've installed here. These are optional when they are bug fixes because there's nothing important in security wise. Security updates, you got to apply them because you could easily get your computer hacked if you don't. Bug fixing is, well, if you got problems, we've got this package that fixes problems. But like I said, I always say, if you don't have any problems, don't install them. And the reason why is, when we say when it broke, don't fix it, it applies to Windows updates. When your computer runs fine, with Microsoft's record of sometimes doing a little something that can break something else when you have an update installed, I've always gone through, well, you don't have to. If you don't have these problems, and of course each bug fixing update comes with a blog post with all the lists of problems that are the fix, you don't have to install them. And, just ignore them. It's all right. Some people are wondering, should I or should I not? Look, for the most part, 99% of you that install it don't have bugs and problems with it. It's just, you don't have any problems. Wait. But here's the catch. Cumulative updates install all missing cumulative updates. That's the way it works. And that's why some of you might see, for example, the Patch Tuesday update take longer than others. And an example of that is, say you haven't installed the cumulative update for bug fixes this week on Windows 10. Next Patch Tuesday, you will have a cumulative update for the security. But the thing is, cumulative updates always check if you have missing updates. So the next Patch Tuesday, what it's going to do is it's going to say, oh, you haven't installed those bug fixing updates. So we're going to bundle all of that together and have the bug fixing updates and the Patch Tuesday security updates together, which means you don't install this, it's going to be installed in the next Patch Tuesday for security. It's not like it's never going to install. It will install. The next Patch Tuesday will do it. So it eventually does install by itself. But, I always say, if you don't have any problems when it's bug fixes, I install them because I want to test them. If something's wrong, something has a problem, anything, I can talk about it. But when you don't have any problems, you can just ignore them. And anyways, they're going to be installed at next occasion, which is usually the next Patch Tuesday updates. That's pretty much what I want to say here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.